Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna talk about a full 2-year Airlift 3H review. So I currently have the Airlift 3H system, and I've had it for around 2.5 years already. And to be honest with you, it's been nothing but good to me. But I'm gonna tell you everything that has gone bad over the past 2 years and what to expect if you buy an Airlift system, 3H or 3P. I'm pretty sure you'll run into the same issues. So here we go. But first of all, let's take a little second to admire and look at this car. Haven't taken it out to the beach in a while, and today I decided it's time to make a video. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I've owned this Airlift system for about 2.5 years. Excuse the mess. I'm actually in the process of redoing everything. So right now I kind of took some things out, and that's why it kind of looks uneven right now. But yeah, all right. So the only issue I really ran into owning this Airlift system is the manifold. All right, so I recommend you guys buy your Airlift system through a company that gives you a warranty. That way, if anything goes bad on it, all you need to do is send it back and they'll try to fix it for you. And if they can't fix it for you, they'll just send you a brand new one. All right, so if you don't drain your tank often, what ends up happening is in the air tank, as time goes by, you know how it's gets humid inside, and it gets moisture all inside this tank. And if you don't drain this tank often or at all, what ends up happening is eventually all that water goes into your manifold and ends up frying your manifold, and your bags are not going to work. So this is the brain to your Airlift system, and if you let all that moisture go inside, it's going to end up messing up and you're going to have to get a new one. So that's about the only issue I came across owning this system. So some signs of the manifold going bad could be that it's not telling you the correct amount of PSI that's inside a bag. Because if you own an Airlift system, you would know that it comes with a controller, and inside the controller it tells you how much PSI each bag has. So if it's telling you it has 80 PSI when in reality it doesn't have 80, it has like 40, those are signs that your Airlift management is going bad. And like I said, these managements have warranty, so if you buy them new, just send it back to give you a new one. But if not, you're gonna be all right. Like I was saying, if you end up messing this thing up, it's gonna cost you like $900 to $1,000 just to replace it. It's called the Airlift management manifold. It's pretty easy to install, pretty easy to take off those 2 screws, unplug it. Remember to unplug your battery when you do that. Unplug this, take off all the hoses, send it out, get your new one, slap it back on, and you should be ready to go. But so far I haven't had any issues with this new one. I just got that one like a couple months ago. It's been treating me good. This is how my car is looking right now. As you guys know, I just wrapped my car. This is my first video of the year. I started off kind of late this year because I was really getting into doing other things in life and didn't really have the time to film another video. But now that I do, I'm gonna start doing more. So this is how it's looking now on the sun with the new red. And like the best part about having airbags is that there is no place you can't go. You could basically take your car everywhere, and it's not a hassle. You could drive your car everywhere and you won't be struggling scraping your shit up. Like this bumper has 0 scratches. Everything is perfect, all because of air suspension, and I don't scrape my car everywhere I go and break stuff. I know it's a little bit pricey, the air suspension, but to be honest with you, if you love your car and you love how it looks, you want to take care of it, I recommend air suspension. And if you don't give a fuck about your car, or you just want to be cool and go ahead and scrape your car up, it's on you. All right, like I was saying, this is the Airlift 3H 3P. They have the same controller. So right now It tells me I'm aired out. Got 0 PSI on all my bags. And the best part about this controller is that if you're driving and you notice one of these pressures goes down from one of your preset, let's just say I'm riding at this PSI right now and I see this go down a little bit, then that will tell me I have a leak somewhere in my airline. And they're pretty easy to find, easy to fix too. And if you see it go down while you're driving, you could always just add air manually right here. Just press it and it'll add air for you. So that's also another good thing about having the controller like this instead of the other one that they sell. Well, this comes with the Airlift 3H 3P system, so if you have that, this would come with it, and it's really handy. I would say this would be probably the second thing to go bad on these Airlift. And also, I think sometimes these controllers seem to go bad on the Airlift systems. So the top two things that would probably go bad on this Airlift, probably the controller and the management, but they're all easy fixes, all easy to get back. And to be honest with you, Airlift is the way to go if you love your car and you want to have a nice looking car and, you know, go out everywhere without having to be worried about anything. Yeah, I really recommend you guys go with that Airlift system. But this is a little interior shot of my car right now. Right now I'm at this beach up in Santa Cruz. But yeah, guys, like I was saying, this is a little review I have about this air system. I have really no issues with it. I love it, and to be honest with you, I recommend it for everyone that loves their car and wants to keep a nice looking car for a long time. Yeah. All right, everyone, so as you guys could see, I'm sorry for the wind noise if you guys can't hear me that good, but the car is looking real good. I've had the wrap on for a couple months now and everything's pretty solid on it. I haven't had any issues with the wrap. It looks amazing. Love how it looks. And to be honest with you, I recommend you guys go, if you guys get Airlift, go with 3H or 3P. It's gonna be well worth your money. You're gonna have your car looking good. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's gonna be a short video. I will come up with new videos pretty soon. I hope you guys like this video. And like I was saying, that is my review. If any of you are on the market for it, recommend it 100%. Alright guys, this is gonna be it for this video. Till the next one, peace.